Alright, here we are bringing you some of the old postage stamps from Haiti, the Republic to Haiti. Alright, and these are all birds, different birds. Look at that. Must be hard for their beak to pick up some fish, huh? A round beak like that, but look at the beautiful pink. Lovely. Okay, and then we have this one here. It's a 5, soaring to go up. If you hold them like that, then they're soaring to go down. So kind of, let me see here. Maybe they're supposed to go this way, huh? Okay, let's put them this way. Turn them around. There we go. I think that's the way it needs to go because of the writing on the top there. So it's like it's coming down. What a different looking bird, isn't it? So this one's a 5 and this one's a 75. Same bird. And we have this one. Wow, look how long the beak is. So they can hide in the bushes and still get the fish that come to shore. Look at that. Wow. You know how some people will grow great big fingernails? That's what this reminds me of. They grow some very big beaks. Beautiful. It's nice to see birds from other countries. Very different. Okay, this is a 25 with a whole bunch of blue jays. And this is probably one of them that was supposed to go this way too. Here we go. Nicely designed, huh? Well, that's a work of art. Beautiful. Okay, then we got ourselves some ducks. 50. And some more ducks. 75. Oh, another one of them. Ah, should have went with that other one right there. That was $1.50. This is a 75. And these ducks, 75. I love how they design the frame around it, around the picture. Very nice. Different colors, but pretty. All right, these guys are both the same, a 75 and a 150. Let me see. Now this one should have gone this way. Here we go. Doesn't look it from the picture, but if you go by the writing on top, a water turkey. So they probably just had it this way. Just to kind of fool you a little bit, play with you. They're flying up like that, but then the writing sideways are 25. Now this one first I was holding it back. I thought it was upside down. So I turned it over and I go, no, look at the legs. So it gives you the impression that he's upside down, but he's not. We have a 250 and a 5. And a 10. Okay, now these two are the same. A 25 and a 50. Kind of cute, ain't they? I like the little extras they have on the head. It's cute. Okay, now this one needs to go this way, I believe. Kind of looks like the blue jay one we had up there, but different birds, of course. And we have ourselves some owls here. We have a 5 and a 10. You have their attention. Isn't that cool? Look at them eyes, just look right at you. Very nice. Okay, then we have these two here. A 5 and a 10. These are the wild turkeys. A lot of red in their turkeys, huh? Ah, this one should have gone with the one on top. The first one we showed you, which was 75. And then we have a 150 and a 5. Love that pink. Alright. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and be sure to check out the description in this video, as I have two true story books and one craft book. Now, one of the true story books was picked up by a screenplay writer and adapted into screenplay format for producers, titled Broken Souls. And the other is a holiday classroom craft for teachers, grades K through 6. Of course, groups and organizations and even moms can use it. Very easy instructions and a lot of stuff that either is already in your home to be recycled or part of nature. So you can read a little bit more about each one of these books right here in the description of this video, along with the ISBN numbers. Now you need those ISBN numbers in order to order up the books, so grab those ISBN numbers and get yourself a good read at your favorite bookstore. If you're ordering online, Amazon has it for your convenience. Alright, bye-bye now.